Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here you've got the panel thanks to which you can increase or decrease radio volume. Thanks to this panel you can activate voice assistant. Thanks to this panel you can navigate through speedometer display. And now we've got the panel right here. If you press list button, you'll enter full list of radio stations. Thanks to source button you can change radio source. The phone button allows you to answer and end the calls, and this button allows you to browse through the lists. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. Behind the steering wheel, we've got the levers, thanks to which you can change the gear. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.